In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make a very good profit by selling cars to Carvana. Now, I've sold at least 4 cars to Carvana, and it is a very easy process. Now, you don't just want to drive up there and show up and say, hey, I want to sell my car. They are by appointment only. So you need to go on the Carvana app, go on the Carvana website, you go on there and you can get an offer for your car. After you do that, you want to continue with the process. It may ask you for a few documents to upload, like the title and such. You're going to give them a power of attorney so they can transfer the title. Now, the price they give you on there is what they're actually going to pay you. After selling 4 vehicles there, the check they had ready when I got there, it literally took me less than 10 minutes to get in and out. All they're going to do is look at the mileage on the vehicle. They're just going to take a few pictures, and depends if you have personalized license plate on there or not, they may take off the license plates and hand them to you. That's all they're going to do. So now to get started, you want to know where are we going to get the cars from to sell cars to Carvana? Now, there's a lot of places you can get cars from. I mean, you could get them from Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, things like that. But what we're going to do is we're going to make it real easy. We're going to go on this website, and you don't even have to be a dealer. They have cars on there that there is no dealer license required. Now, the vehicles you're going to want to bid on this website are going to be the ones that are non-salvage titles. You do not want to bid on a salvage title. So you're going to bid on clean title vehicles only. Now, the name of this website is called Copart. Now, taking you to the website here on Copart, once you register and everything, you're going to go on here and you're going to search for a vehicle. Now, I'm just showing you an example here. I put no license required. I'm going down and it shows all these vehicles. Now, look at this one here. This 2019 Ram with 118,000 miles. The current bid is $2,850. This is in New Orleans, it says. And it's just got some minor scratches and dents. The keys are available. So, if you notice, when you click it, the VIN number is not showing up. And that may be because you're not registered or not logged in, but they have a picture of the VIN number, y'all. So without even registering, you can go on here, and what we're going to do, we're going to look at the VIN number. Now, the VIN number, you can take a picture of it with your phone or something, and then once you go to the Carvana website, it'll make it a lot easier to where you can just type it in. Okay, now we're going to go over to the Carvana website. So once we get over to the Carvana website, you're going to go to the top and you're going to click on sell or trade. You're going to click that and you're going to click VIN number. I copied and pasted the VIN number from Copart, and it's going to search your vehicle. It's going to find it. Now here, you're going to put in the mileage, in your zip code. You're going to put in the color. And look, it already knows it's 4-wheel drive here. We're going to click sell, and we do not have a loan. We're going to put neither. Now, all these features, we're just going to put like it's the basic vehicle here. And we're going to say there's no accidents. It's drivable. There's no mechanical issues, no engine issues. No exterior damage, no interior damage, no modifications, it's not smoked in, and we have 2+ keys. And it's pretty great condition. So it's going to create our offer here. And Carvana will pay us $13,800 for this vehicle. And if you see on key details about your car, it shows that it has 2+ accidents. Even though we had said no accidents, it knows that it has 2+ accidents, and they're still offering us $13,800. So you saw what the current bid for is right now $2,000 something dollars. Now that doesn't mean it's going to sell for that. It may go up to $8,000, maybe go up to $5,000, $7,000. We really don't know. But even if it goes up to $10,000, and of course, you're going to need a little bit of overhead. You're going to need some cash on hand to do this, to make money. So even if it goes up to $10,000, you pay $10,000, let's say plus some fees. Your fees are maybe $500. You're still going to profit a couple grand. And really, you don't even really have to pick up the vehicle. I'll put a link in the description. There's a company called Run Buggy, and they will pick up the vehicle for you from the auction. Now you can go on Run Buggy app website and you can see the fees that they charge. So you can actually buy a car from anywhere in the United States. It doesn't even have to be in your town. You can have that shipped to you. Clean up the car real good. Go on Carvana, see what they're going to offer you. But you're going to do this before you even buy the vehicle. You're going to see what they'll offer you. Now, this is just an easy way to flip cars without having to go and list them and try to sell them on Facebook, Marketplace, or anything like that. No hassle. Just go there. They're going to have the check printed for you. They're going to take a few pictures of the vehicle, and they're going to hand you that check right away. I've already done this 4 times, like I said, and it's such an easy thing to do. And this is an easy way to make money. And you can do it all from the comfort of your home if you want. You don't even have to go and pick up the vehicle. Unless it's in your town, you want to go pick it up, go and pick it up. No big deal, right? It's a business you're running here. Now, because you're not a dealer, there's only so many cars, depending on your state, you can buy without being considered a dealer. So get with your state and see the rules and regulations and how many cars you can buy and sell a year. Now I want to thank y'all for watching my video. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. And if you found this video valuable, hit that like button. And I will see y'all on the next one.
Are you a veteran trying to make sense of the VA claims process? Meet Stratforge Claim Assistant. Our AI-powered web app is designed to help veterans organize claim information, better understand VA decision letters, prepare for C&P exams, and get complicated VA information explained in plain English. Upload your information, ask questions, and use AI-powered tools designed with veterans in mind. Take control of your information and become better prepared for the VA claims process. Visit app.stratforgegroup.com to get started. Sign up for free. Stratforge Group is independent and is not affiliated with or endorsed by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs.